resize this. And measure it and see how big it really is. I'd like it to be about 3 feet. 3'2". That's kind of happy. Right. Move it into place. Interesting what surfaces that it wants to take. It's stuck to the surface. Just drag it on over. And then inference tool and down. And now I think I'm just going to get rid of that mirror here in the front. And we can do it as there. There we go. That's kind of fun. Okay, so I've developed this, and say I just want to go ahead and continue and make some gorgeous details. And finishing it, I will save as. It's the same. Oh, actually overwriting it, yeah. And now I have it saved there. And then finally, I will put it into Canvas. All right, so I've saved this one. It's still saving. And we'll download that one as well. It is actually better when you download these is to save them in the oldest version possible. It's a little easier if someone doesn't have your newest version to open it. And it's saved as well. So I'm going to Canvas, and this is setting it through in there. Here's the plane model project, and I had submitted this once before as a test. I'm going to submit it now, resubmit. It asks me to choose. Go on to screenshots. For me is what actually I saved it here in the downloads. And happy little speakeasy. Open. It's in there. and I'll submit it. So all three of them can be submitted this way. So thanks for listening. And happy modeling.